Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So I wanted to share with you all another DIY idea that I had because I went to Target. They have their Pride collection out. However, I had the same problem I had last year, which was finding the correct sizes for everyone. So I bought this shirt because I like the little ice cream swirl situation they had going on, and I want to make a dress for Abigail out of it. And then with the scraps, because I will be cutting some off, I want to make something to go on some t-shirts for myself, my husband, and Austin, so we can all coordinate. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. Not sure how it's all gonna turn out, but I'm excited for the process and I wanted to take you along for the ride. The first thing I did for this DIY was actually put the shirt on Abigail so I can have a visual of where I needed to take in the shirt. So I used sewing clips to clip the shirt along the sides, and then I actually marked that area off with chalk so when it came time to sew, I knew where I was sewing. I also, for this DIY, took off the sleeves because I wanted it to be sleeveless because we are in Florida and it is hot. Now when it came time to adjust the collar, I actually cut from the top of the collar down to the band because I wanted to make sure that I could hide the extra fabric underneath the collar and that you wouldn't be able to see it when the collar was folded down. And here's how the first DIY turned out. For Austin's DIY, I was able to use the sleeves from the original shirt to make a vest. Now, I've never done this before, so I simply laid the fabric on the shirt and started manipulating the fabric until I got the shape of a vest. Then I went ahead, made my marks, and that's how I got the vest. Take a look at how cute it came out. For the next DIY, it was something super simple, and it was making a pocket. Now, the original shirt had a pocket on it that I had to remove when I was taking it in to make Abigail's dress, and I saved it, and when I looked at one of my shirts, I realized that the pocket size was the same. So all I had to do was seam rip the pocket and open it up so I knew how much fabric I needed, and then copy the same design. So that gave me two pockets, one for my shirt and one for my husband's shirt. Now for mine, I ended up using some red thread because my shirt was red and I thought it would be a nice pop of color. After I ran the pocket through the machine, I went ahead and hand stitched it to the shirt to ensure that it was in the correct spot. Now check out the pictures of us wearing the outfits at our local Pride event. I really hope that you liked this content. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Now, I'll catch you in the next video. Till next time, bye.